Good evening, traders. It's Carlos over here at G.A.R Capital for our weekly video recap for the 4th of October 2015. As always, let's go over the risk advisory. All trades are assumed with the risk of possible loss of capital. Use information at your own risk and practice proper risk management as well as risk tolerance towards your account and margin requirements with your broker. Let's go over this week's trade results. Last week we ended September very well with 348 pips booked in profit. And then we started October on Thursday, past Thursday. And we are now currently at profit of 99 pips. So let's go ahead and take a look at those trades. This is our October's chart. Right now we're about a 69.23 winning trade. And we did have dollar Canadian dollar on the short make us a nice little gain here, 61 pips. As you can see right here, these two, 91 and 127. That's all NFP, non-farm payroll. Looks like we were the wrong side of that trade. Let's take a look and see what happened. Here we are looking at a 30-minute chart for the euro dollar. And as you can see right here, the big jump in the euro was due to the non-farm payroll, which was a really big miss on the number of the jobs added in the U.S. economy. Every first Friday of the new month, we will have the non-farm payroll report. We were on the wrong side of that trade, but as smart traders, we did play the retrace. As you can see here, it started going down right about noon time that day, and we just played it right down here. We shorted the euro, went long dollar, played the retrace, got it in a great price, and that's where we made our profits. Euro dollar, 14, 7 pips. But if you look at Aussie yen, we made that nice little turn. 63 pips we made on the euro dollar on the retrace. 74 pips we made on the dollar yen, and euro pound made a nice 29 pip gain. Let's take a look at the dollar yen, and you can see that drop as well. Played the retrace, bought it at the bottom, went ahead and went back up to almost to pre non-farm payroll levels before the rise. That's a lot of volatility. As you know, with NFP, you do get volatility, but how you play the market digested that move. The market digested those numbers. Nothing changed. The economy was not in a recession, or the United States economy is not in a recession. There's no reason why the yen is more valuable than the dollar against the dollar now. 120 seems to be the range. As you can see here, we'll take a look at a 4-hour chart. As you can see, the NFP move still basing around 119 and 120. 121 was earlier in the last month, but honestly, right here you could see nothing has changed. We'll take a look at a daily. Basing again. We're off the highs in August of 124, but we're still right here at 120. So long term, yes, I do see the dollar yen rising. Even with that NFP miss, we did see a bounce back in dollar yen, which just shows the resilience of the US dollar and the confidence in the US economy in comparison to the baskets of world economies. Dollar is still king, and that's what we're going to play long term. Do I see dollar yen going back to 124? We'd have to look at the trends, honestly. I'd have to see more information. Can it be sustainable? If the Fed raises rates this year, yes. I don't see them raising rates this year. We are on hold on that. We're going to keep taking a look at unemployment reports. We're going to see more manufacturing reports, CPI, PPI, and just keep an eye on those numbers. Keep an eye on just the global economy as it is. If we have any issues with equities, a sell-off or anything like that, yes, we would have to see a difference in dollar yen where it may go down to the downside. But this just shows the resilience in the dollar yen, honestly. We went ahead and bought at the bottom, made our money all the way back. Our traders made very well off that move. And patience will always pay off, guys. Patience will always pay off. With that being said, let's go ahead and look at our week. All right, tomorrow Monday, PMIs going all around the euro. We got some Euro group meetings day one, and Aussie dollar. It looks like we got a cash rate going. Nothing has changed this so far, but rate statement. Let's keep an eye on that. Definitely 11:30 p.m. tomorrow. I'll be up on that. Let our traders know exactly what to do. We'll see if maybe there's a rate cut of anything of any kind. ISM non-manufacturing PMI 10 in the morning. We got the Canadian trade balance. That's going to give us an outlier on oil. As you know, with the Canadian economy based on oil, we'll see how that trends out as the Canadian economy is in a recession, technically. Draghi will speak 1 p.m. on Tuesday. Big time. That's always a big speech, just like Yellen. Volatility is going to be there. We're going to go ahead and take a look and trade those and see what we have for any opportunities. Japanese, Japanese as well, monetary policy statement. We're looking to that. So Monday and Tuesday looking pretty good. Nothing much going on a Wednesday. Crude oil inventories. We'll see how we play against that with the Canadian dollar. Bank rate. I don't see the British raising rates at all. They're waiting for the United States, in my opinion. They're going to stay steadfast on that. Governor Carney will speak at 2 p.m. FOMC meetings at 2. Same song, different dance. They're not going to say anything other than raising rates, especially with that NFP miss. Nothing's going to change. The ninth, we got unemployment rate for the Canadian Central Bank. Lockhart's going to speak. Same thing. FOMC members, they can talk all they want, but nothing's going to change. They're not going to raise rates overnight or this week. It's just not going to happen. So if we're holding our breath on that, it's not going to happen. So that's what we're looking at right now. Chart wise, dollar yen. See dollar CAD. Yep. A little bit back to a fall here. Made some money on that. Definitely left from the peak. Buying opportunity, definitely. I see. Let's take a look at a daily. We can still short, but we still have a little bit of a basis. We could still see going back down to 130. But it really depends on the oil market and see if oil stabilizes. WTI, crude oil, futures. We'll keep an eye on that tomorrow morning. So I definitely like dollar yen, dollar CAD, euro dollar. Those are the ones I want to watch for. Anything playing against the dollar. So that's our week ahead of time. Alright guys, as always, if you're interested in our signal services analysis, make sure you email me, garcapital@gmail.com. Some new stuff coming in. We did get the WhatsApp set up, so we can go ahead and swap ideas, swap trade signals, give information through WhatsApp, which is a lot easier, especially for my international clients, international followers as well. Follow us on Twitter, G.A.R Capital. Follow us on Instagram, @G.A.R Capital. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click like below if you enjoy these videos. Leave any information, comments, concerns, ideas on the comments section below. Definitely love to hear from you guys, especially all my subscribers, new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. All my new subscribers to the signals, I appreciate you guys. If you have any concerns, feel free to email me. I'm very accessible through email and WhatsApp, and through Twitter and Instagram. So as always, thank you very much for watching. This is our day. This is our weekly recap. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me, guys. Let's go ahead and have a great trading week. We got a lot on our plate Monday and Tuesday. Back on the grind. Let's make sure we have a profitable week, and let's keep it going. 500 pips is our goal this month, and we're getting there. We're 1/5 of the way there. Let's do it, guys. You guys have a great day, great evening, and we'll speak soon. Have a great night, guys.